friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video, we are going to be doing some spring cleaning and decorating. Super excited. I'm going to be decorating my entryway, and then also I'm going to be decorating the main bathroom. So if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe. I'd absolutely love to have you on my channel. I think at the start of recording this video, I'm at 644 subscribers. So slowly but surely working my way up to 1,000 subs and beyond. So all right, let's get started. This is a Valentine's Day pillow, but I'm going to flip it around because it's just white, and then you can see like the little pink frills. So
hey my friends, welcome back. You'll have to excuse my voice. I know it sounds awful. I have been sick for probably the past week. It's really weird. I don't know if anybody else is going through this, but basically I completely lost my voice. Like I could not even speak on Monday. Tuesday, I mean, it was pretty bad. And then I just have a bad cough. But like, it's not the flu, it's not COVID, it's not strep, but it's more than a regular cold. It's really, really weird. I have heard just around the country, all these different like weird viruses going around, and I'm pretty sure that's what I've got. So excuse my voice. I know it sounds bad. Anywho, also, I know that probably most of you are moved on from like the spring stuff. However, I filmed this back in like February. And so, you know, I did put some work into it. It did take me a long time, and I did want to share it, even though it's obviously super late. And, you know, here soon, I'll probably be changing it up again to decorate for summer. But I thought I'd share it anyway. Hopefully you enjoy it. I will have one more like spring decorating video coming up. I hope to get that out sometime next week and get on a much better schedule with filming and posting and all of that. And I know I've said it a million times, but you know. Anywho, yeah, there's one more, and that would be my master bathroom that I decorated and cleaned up and everything quite a while ago. So anywho, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into it. While you're at it, let me know down below what your opinions are on this mirror here. I think it's super cute. However, I definitely think it's too small for this space. I think I need a bigger one. And also, do you think I should have it mounted on the wall, or what would you do? Secondly, this little area here, I'm kind of, as you can see, I'm taking down the fall decor and changing it over to the spring decor at the same time. I was going to say simultaneously, but at the same time. And so that's why I'm like moving the rug, and then that's like some other like hearts and rose petals and things of that nature down here. So just so you know.
Happy with this area. I think it came out super cute. I've got my gloves on. Let's head to the bathroom, and it is disgusting.
This is the kids' bathroom that they use on a daily basis, and so I think it kind of explains itself why this trash is just overflowing, and they just gonna keep stuff in there. So I decided, okay, this needs to go. It is so bad in here. And then wait until I get to the sink and all of the toothpaste. And I know I'm not the only one. I know you guys kids do this too, right? But yeah, it was a job. It's a small bathroom, but still a lot of work. Right now I'm finally to the sink, and I'm gonna first just clear off the sink. Like I said, I was clearing out Valentine's Day stuff while I was changing over the decorations. But yep, you just clean everything off. I put the toothpaste, toothbrushes away. Then I start spraying down the counter and doing some wiping.
Look at this. Why? Just like, why? Just throw it away. Why so messy? Like,
While we're at it, what do you all typically use, or what's your favorite product to clean quartz countertops? I still have been playing around with products since we moved in. I'll find one that I think I like, and then I'm like, not really. And then I'll find another one, and then I'm like, I kind of like that. And then, but I still am not like 100% set on any particular one. This particular one, it said it was okay on quartz. I didn't see any issues after I clean with it. That's like scrubbing bubbles, but I think it's just too strong because it has bleach in it, and so that's what has me worried. But anyway, comment your favorite one down below.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away.
Now I'm finally getting to decorating, or just adding a few cute spring touches in here. And yeah, I still have not decided what kind of design I want in this bathroom, especially because it is like the main bathroom. So like when guests come, this is the bathroom that they use typically. I want to do something, like I was saying before, like some wallpaper or board and batten or something. But again, I've still got a whole list of things to do here. And I mean, we plan on being here for a while, so I do have time. So I'm not necessarily like in a rush. Again, I think my first order of business is, two things I need to do first is remove the living room carpet and get a backsplash. So those are my top two things. Don't know exactly when it's going to happen, but it will happen.
And the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me, where's your location? Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we...
Finally, we have to clean this super gross toilet. Let me know, actually, what is your favorite household chore to do? My two favorite, one of them you probably think I'm a little weird, but I'm going to say it anyway. But two of my favorite household chores are vacuuming. I absolutely love to vacuum. And clean the toilet. I know it is so gross a lot of times, but like the satisfaction of after, like when it's done, is just like top tier. Also, I started buying these Clorox disposable cleaning, like the wand. Well, the wand is reusable, but the little cleaning head, scrubbing cleaning head, it already has the product in it. So once you get it wet with the toilet water, that activates the cleaning product. And so when you're done, you just throw it away. And I don't know why I didn't do this sooner, because I really think it is so much more sanitary. Like, I always felt weird when I would like clean the toilet, clean the nasty stuff with like a toilet brush, and then put it back in the toilet brush like holder. I would always put like cleaning products in the toilet brush holder, but still, I just felt like, ugh. So now I buy this, and yeah, it makes a whole lot of sense. Also, the little disposable cleaning things, they are, I buy it from Sam's Club, and you can get a whole bunch of them. I think the last one I got was like 30. I can't remember exactly how much it was, but it was a much better deal. So
I don't know.
all right, now enjoy these last ending clips here. I really love how it turned out. I think it's super cute. My plan was to actually paint flowers, hand paint flowers on this little bunny here, but I never got to it. And yeah, I just never got to it, but it's still cute just the way it is. And I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you did. Tell me what your favorite area was, or your favorite decor item. And I will see you guys back here soon. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.